This one got blasted good in the front end.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on it. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness will come with the meals.
I have a Toyota Tacoma here. This one got blasted good in the front end. Gets a bunch of different parts. New hood, new fender, lots of the front end parts. It's getting a new radiator support, the complete assembly there. It gets this new frame mount, which is almost torn off the frame right there. Then it also gets this apron piece that goes right there, as well as this inside part of the apron up underneath there. So I'm going to go ahead, first I'm going to go ahead and make a couple pulls and pull all that damage out, and then I will go ahead and start cutting it apart after I get it all pulled out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this measuring turtle up here, and I'm going to make some measurements of this frame. They have a measurement. I want to make sure the frame's not moved. I don't think it is. And then they have a measurement to this mounting point to make sure it's exactly where it's supposed to be. So first I have to center the measuring system to the vehicle so it knows exactly where the measuring system is according to the vehicle, or where the vehicle is according to the measuring system. So I'm going to go to 5 points in the center section of the vehicle, and that will match the system to the car. And then I can come up to the front and see where my points are supposed to be at. There's my first point. My second. There it is. Now I'll go to the front and make some measurements. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put a few tack welds on this just to make sure it doesn't move. I still want to fit everything else up to it, but I want to make sure it stays where it is.